In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print photos in Lightroom Classic. Whether you're aiming to showcase your photography skills or just want to adorn your space with cherished memories, printing directly from Lightroom can make this process both efficient and rewarding. So, let's dive in and walk through the entire process together. First, within Lightroom Classic, you'll want to head to either the Library or Develop module. From there, it's time to select the photo or photos you envision bringing to life on paper. This initial step is crucial because your selection here sets the foundation for your entire printing project. After you've picked out your images, our next stop is the Print module. You can easily access this by navigating to the top module selector. Once in the Print module, you're in the right place to start tailoring your print settings to perfection. Now, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen where you'll find the Page Setup option. Clicking on this allows you to choose your specific printer and define the paper size or format you'll be using. This step is essential as it ensures your photo will be printed just the way you envision. Continuing in the Print module, let's shift focus to the left panel where you'll notice the Template browser. Here, you have a variety of choices depending on the presentation you're aiming for. You can select a single image contact sheet, opt for a picture package, or go with a custom package. Each option offers a unique layout perspective, so feel free to explore and see what best suits your needs. Moving over to the right panels now, you find more fine-tuning controls. Under the Image Settings and Layout sections, you'll have the chance to adjust the margins and cell sizes, decide whether you'd like to zoom to fill the page, and even choose to rotate the image to best fit the paper. These adjustments can dramatically alter the final appearance, so take your time here to get everything just right. Digging a bit deeper, under the Print Job panel, you're met with more technical settings. This is where you can set the resolution to ensure your images are crystal clear. You'll also want to manage color settings, deciding if you'd like to select a specific printer profile or let the printer handle it for you. Plus, you can adjust the amount of print sharpening, set it to draft mode if you're doing a test run, and more. These settings give you greater control over the final output, so it's worth understanding each one. Finally, when you feel satisfied with your setup, you have two options to produce your output. Simply click Print if you're ready to send your image to the printer. Alternatively, if you're inclined to save it as a digital file for later, you can choose Print to File. Whichever path you choose, rest easy knowing your images are going to look fantastic on paper. And there you have it. Those are the steps to successfully print your photos using Lightroom Classic. Happy printing!